something which is really helpful to each one of you. So, good morning, sister. Good morning, faculty members, and good morning to SJC and Jack. Thank you so much, team members. You can take your position and we'll start soon. Left hand, right hand, sit down. Class 10, 9 skipped. Class 10, yes, right hand, sit down. Class 9, sit down. Class 9, left hand, right hand. Class 11, I didn't ask you to sit. Class 11, yes. Sit down. Class 12. Class 11. Everyone sit down. This was not an activity. This was just to understand who is sitting there. Clap for yourself. Okay. So, before I start and come to the topic, everyone knows what are we going to talk about today. And the topic is very, very interesting and very important for everyone. But before that, I need again the raised hands with those who experiences. What do you experiences like? How many of you feel that at times you are very happy and next moment you are sad? Oh, everyone. You were unhappy 5 minutes ago, you are happy now. Irritated one moment, next moment again back to normal. Again everyone. Very good audience I have. Clap for yourself once again. Huh? But I tell you one thing, this is not happening with you or you or you or you. This is happening with everyone around. Yes or no? Look to your right, look to your left, everyone raise the hand. That means everyone experienced the same thing. Happy one time, unhappy another moment. That means mood swing. And you can relate with that more if you watch this clip. So this is an excellent day for you today. So many inspirational stories and along with that, movie time. So next few minutes are a movie time. Okay, so dim the light please. Enjoy. Riley, yes. And how many of you feel that you are Riley in your life right now? Again, almost everyone. So which phase she is going through? Which phase? Louder. Puberty. And how many of you understand what puberty is? Class 11, 12 for sure. They know what puberty is. 7, 8 undergoing puberty, 9, 10 in late puberty stage. So everyone knows what puberty is. There are changes in the body when you are going through puberty. For example, growth, rapid growth, pubic hair, underarm hair, voice change, emotional change, body change, and one more very, very important change, and that is menstrual cycle. Right? You know the term menstrual cycle? You call it menses, you call it terms, it's all the same. So when you are undergoing menstrual cycle, see this is a very, very nice and clear picture of menstrual cycle. Okay, this pointer is not visible here. Doesn't matter. Let us understand menstrual cycle from a day. Menstrual cycle is of how many days? Total how many days? 28 days, almost 28 days, right? Let us start from a day which is most visible to us. This is echoing, right? Handle is actually the fallopian tube. And what is this structure? What is the structure? How many ovaries are there? 2. 1. No, 2. How many lungs are there? 2. Yes. So how many ovaries are there? 2. And what structure is this? Uterus. both the sides we have two ovaries. Okay, and the ovary produces the egg. Lives happily ever after, and goes to the palace and lives there, rests on the bed, and develops into a new life again, that is called the fetus. Right? Clear? Plan B, till your body is ready, till you are mentally ready for the swim work, Plan B will take place, that is, the princess comes out to the swimwear hall. She knows this is not the right time to get married, and she leaves the swimwear hall. She also leaves the palace along with the wedding. What is that? Menstruation. What is that? Menstruation. So nothing to feel shy about it, nothing to feel bad about it. As you breathe, as circulation takes place, similarly one more activity is taking place in every female's body that makes her more powerful, and that is menstrual cycle. Because you have the power to give birth to a new life. Yes or no? So clap for yourself. Yes, so normal. Right? What is not so normal? For example, how many of you, we open, it's an interactive session, so interact with me, okay? How many of you feel that you have menstrual cramps before or during periods? Maybe before 1 day, before 2 days. See, everyone has raised a hand again. Huh? So everyone feels, maybe few of you do not feel the pain, the cramps, that is very good. But many of you feel that is also okay, because now we will understand how to deal with it. How many of you feel that it is irregular periods? Irregular means when your periods will start, then it is irregular periods. That's great. Third is heavy bleeding, which is also called menorrhagia. How do you understand what heavy bleeding is? If you are using a napkin, say 2 times a day, but instead of that you are using 4 times, 5 times, 6 times a day also, that is heavy bleeding. So you should understand the term heavy also. That's not normal for everyone. Sabka normal alag alag hota hai. So next is delayed period. Delayed period means if it should be on say 15th of the month, or anyone whom you know who is undergoing all these symptoms, isn't it good? Yes? So we will be discussing something which can treat all of these symptoms. All. I did not say only for irregular or only for heavy bleeding. It is for all the problems which are mentioned here. Okay? And here comes the role of acupressure. What is acupressure? Acupressure is acu plus pressure. Acu means accurately. In a small specific area, you are giving pressure. That is acupressure. And when you give pressure to those, raise your left hand if it is clear. No, I mean right hand. Thank you. So, shall we proceed? So, next slide is previous slide. There are areas on the front of the palm which are very good acupressure points, and some areas on the back. Now what is the first area that we will understand? See the first area. First understand the area, then we will understand why this area is important. So first, see your left palm. First area that we will stimulate is on the tip of the thumb. Okay, tip of the thumb. So this is one area that we will stimulate. How are we going to stimulate? We will stimulate it with few methi seeds. Why? Because giving pressure also helps, but here you have to give pressure almost for say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, and for that long duration you will not be able to press that area. So better is you apply something here that gives consistent pressure. And what did we use? We used only 2 types of seeds. One is methi seed, another one is dry pea seed. So on the tip of the thumb, what are we going to apply? It is at the base of the index finger. Okay? And another area which is at the back of the palm also, this is on the back side of the same area. So when I say second area means index finger the lower phalange, front and back. Lower phalange, front and back. What was the first area? What is the second area? Base of the index finger, front and back. What is the third area? The third area is on the upper part of the index finger, just below the nail. So almost 3 to 4 seeds, you can see here, 3-4 seeds are placed in a row, and that you have